Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This year I want to get better about sharing my monthly favorites. A couple of years ago I was really good about consistently sharing them on my blog, once in a while on my YouTube channel, and this year I really want to make an effort to kind of do a hybrid. Whether I share them here or there, I want to make sure that every month I'm rounding up the best of the best, the things that completely changed my month and made my life, my beauty routine, and whatever else better. So for the month of January, I am featuring a ton of favorites over on my blog, but then I also wanted to come to YouTube to specifically share my Amazon favorites from the month of January. So you can kind of cross-reference both lists and see what all the favorites are. But today, right here, we're gonna chat all things Amazon. So first up on my Amazon favorites from January is these gel removal clips. If you are subscribed to my channel, you probably saw my recent video demonstrating how these work to remove a gel manicure. I loved them so much. They were literally incredible that I gave a set away. These are available on Amazon. I think it's only $8.99 for this entire set. It comes with everything you need to remove a gel manicure at home, minus the acetone. They are so easy to use, very effective, no damage to the nails whatsoever, and I highly recommend this product if you do your own nails at home, or if you want to save some money by removing your own gel manicure without paying the salon to do it, because I think most salons do charge a small fee to remove gel, but you can totally do it by yourself. I recently purchased a wet shine brush. Now I have a mini wet brush, which switching over to that brush alone has made such a difference. The amount of hair that I lose after I get out of the shower, it's just such a gentle brush to use on wet hair that I decided I needed one to use on dry hair. So this is like a traditional wet brush, but it also has boar bristles inside, so it helps distribute the natural oils that build up on your scalp. So when your hair is greasy, you just kind of use this to help distribute that. So I have been using this every single morning and every single night, and then once in a while throughout the day just to brush my hair through, and I just love the way that it feels. Oh, my hair loves it too. I really do think my hair has been growing between the brush, not washing it as much. I've been waiting a minimum of 2 days between washes. I think I've gone as far up to 4 or 5 days. So far, I'm really happy with the results. All right, next up, this is completely random, but it is one of those things that has made my life so much easier, and I am obsessed with it. This is a pair of salad chopping scissors. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love to chop basically everything I eat, but specifically my salads. We'll make chopped salads for dinner quite often, and I chop up all the lettuce, all the vegetables, and this has saved me a ton of time in chopping. These are the OXO Good Grip stainless steel. They come with the little plastic bag, but then they lock up here, so you can unlock it, close it. They're just so easy to use. They're very strong. Don't put your fingers in there. They're designed so that you can chop right in the bowl. So highly, highly recommend. Okay, next up, I have a couple of phone accessories. So I upgraded my phone in December. I got the iPhone 11, the one with 3 cameras, and I had to get a new case for it. So I ordered this little tortoiseshell case on Amazon, and I thought it was just a fun design. I haven't done anything like this before, but I really love my phone cases. I'm always changing them in and out, but this has been a great first one for this phone. These cases are the best because they do stand a little bit taller than the screen. When you place the phone face down, you're not going to scratch the screen. It's a pretty heavy duty case, so I really don't feel like I'm compromising the safety of my phone by using it, and I'm overall just really happy. This pop socket is not from Amazon. This is actually from Etsy. I get a ton of questions about this as well. It's a little stone. I'll link this below. And then with the phone is the screen protector. So these are my favorite screen protectors. I actually purchased them for my iPhone X, which was the phone that I had previously, and the screen size of the X is exactly the same as the 11 Pro, so I didn't have to buy new screens. I buy these in a 3-pack, keep them on hand, because anytime they crack, like this one actually did crack a few weeks ago, I just haven't changed it yet. I do like to swap out the screen protector because those little cracks drive me nuts. But knock on wood, I have yet to crack a screen with these protectors. They really, really are amazing. Then it also comes with a really easy applicator. Applying a screen protector can be really stressful, especially if you like miss one of those little fuzzies and then you have a bubble. But this comes with different stickers to help you clean, microfiber cloths, wet towelettes, dry towelettes, and then an actual applicator. So this thing that you like clip on your phone so that it goes on absolutely perfectly. So it's never gonna be crooked. You're not gonna have any bubbles. You're not gonna have any little debris slippery under there, so I highly recommend these screen protectors. All right, and then the very last thing I want to share with you is something that my mom actually got me for Christmas, and I love this so much, not just for the new year, but honestly for any special occasion or time where you just want to put your thoughts or your wishes into the atmosphere, into the world. This is flying wish paper. So we actually did this on New Year's Day. It comes with everything you need. You basically write your wishes on this little tissue paper. It's dark purple, so no one's gonna see what you write. It comes with these cute little gold pencils to do so, and then this is like the base. So what you do is you write the wish on the paper, you crumple it up really, really tight, you unravel it and flatten it out, and then you roll it into like a tube. You place one of these papers on a table, place the tube right on top, the tube with the wishes, and then you light it on fire, and it burns down to the bottom, and once it hits the bottom, the wish like evaporates. It just poofs and flies into the air and turns to dust almost. So you're kind of like emitting your wishes. They were so fun. It was a really special moment. I put so much on that paper that had just been in my heart and in my mind, and I wanted to put it out into the universe. But it's something that I would totally do for like a birthday or any special occasion, and they're meant to be used inside. They are not for outdoor use. So I was really hesitant about that. I was so scared that I was gonna like set the house on fire. I actually did them at my parents' house because I was like, hey, we're renting. But no, it was really fun. It was really special, and they worked great. So highly recommend checking these out. It's a great thing to gift. It's a great thing to do on your own, but very, very cool product. So that is it for my Amazon favorites of January 2020. Like I mentioned, there are gonna be a bunch of other favorites on my blog, mostly beauty favorites there. So be sure to check those out. I hope I can stick to sharing my monthly favorites. It's really something I wanna get better about this year. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That way I'll know that you like favorites videos, and I'll hopefully be able to continue doing them every month. Also, in the comments, let me know if you had one favorite Amazon find from the month of January. I love Amazon. It's like the best and worst website in the world, but you really can get so much on that site. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.